traffic congestion, the classes are very short, so just within 5 minutes can you just show me the maps which you have done yesterday? Okay, if you can do it, then it will be nice. Fine. And another thing is that yes, Sanjeevani's, I got it. Yes, Sanjeevani, this is very good, absolutely correct. I don't know whether you have drawn the full map or not, but whatever it is, it's perfectly correct. Okay, it's perfectly correct. You can also mention this one, the Red Sea one. Okay, the Red Sea portion you can also mention, as you have mentioned the Mediterranean Sea and the Persian Gulf, and then you can also mention that this is the Red Sea which is in the west direction. Okay, northern Mesopotamia, fine. And no, you just make it the opposite. Acha, okay, yes, done. Persian Gulf, Uruk, Mari, northern Mesopotamia. And you also mentioned that the mountains are the mountains of Iraq. Okay, the mountains of Iraq, you just mentioned and mentioned the Red Sea in your map. After that, otherwise it's perfect. Okay, Shomita, yes, Shomita. Let me see, yes, Persian Gulf, Uruk, Babylon, yes, southern, northern, yes, very good. So, Shomita, according to point wise, it's perfectly correct. You also mentioned the Iraq mountains, the mountains of Iraq you should also mention, okay, and otherwise it's perfectly correct. And if you want, then as Sanjeevani has done, you can mention the Persian Gulf, Red Sea and Mediterranean Sea, and also Sanjeevani and Shomita, you can both mention the Arabian Peninsula or the Arabian Desert. Sanjeevani, this part where you have written Uruk, southern part of Uruk, which is the Arabian Peninsula, you can mention here as the Arabian Desert or Arabian Peninsula. Shomita, you can also do the same thing. Okay, otherwise it's perfectly correct. Okay, Shomshubhro. Shomshubhro, yes. Shomshubhro maps orientation. How can I change it? Can I change it? No, I cannot change it. Okay. Fine. Shomshubhro, you do one thing. No, Shomshubhro, it's okay, I have seen. You just do one thing, that you have made the mountainous region which is near to the Mediterranean, right? You do it where you have started the two rivers. Move it little eastward. Okay, means as if the two rivers have started from the mountains and then met in the Persian Gulf. It should look like this. So, your mountain region should move a little eastwise and you make more mountains there. No need to rub it, let it be there whatever you have made, and then make more mountains, triangles there, and mention that this is the mountains of Iraq. Okay, done. Shomshubhra, understood? Acha, yes. Acha, others like I can see here Pulmoni, Riddha and Mitadru also. Mitadru after a long time I hope. So, you have missed the class. Last day we have done the map. Okay. Maybe tomorrow Thursday, na? Yes, tomorrow we will do another map pointing. We will do the map pointing of Roman Empire. Tomorrow we will do the map pointings of Roman Empire. Yes, Riddha, no problem. You can check the class from YouTube. The class has been uploaded in the YouTube, I know it. So, you check that one and try to do the map according to that YouTube class, but if you can't, then after we finish everything we will do it. Okay. And tomorrow we will do the map of the Roman Empire. So, you need to bring either a wall map, whatever is available with you, or a European map tomorrow. Is it clear? Is that clear? Yes. So, tomorrow Somshubro, Sanjeevani, Shomita all should bring a European map. I can't see Sanjeevani here, but I think she is listening that please bring tomorrow the map of Europe. So, we can do it like we have done. Okay. So, any other questions? Otherwise, I will say a goodbye to you. Okay, fine. So, goodbye to you and see you tomorrow. Okay.